I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Session on IPL. Session betting is a thrilling way to engage with cricket matches, focusing on specific segments of the game. You'll predict the total runs scored within a defined number of overs, like the first 6 or 10. Bookmakers set a target score, and you choose whether the actual runs will be over or under that number. It adds an exciting layer to watching your favorite teams compete. Understanding session odds is crucial for smart betting. Odds are presented as numbers, like 1.80 or 2.10, indicating your potential payout. A lower number suggests a higher probability of that outcome occurring. For instance, if the over 150 runs option has odds of 1.90, it means a 100 rupee bet could return 190 rupees. Always shop around for the best odds. To improve your session betting success, employ effective strategies. Start by analyzing the pitch report. A flat pitch often leads to higher scores. Research team batting lineups and their recent performance. Pay attention to individual player form, especially openers. During the match, observe early overs for momentum shifts or wicket falls, as these can significantly impact session totals. Informed decisions are key to maximizing your chances. Responsible bankroll management is paramount for enjoyable and sustainable session betting. Before you begin, establish a clear budget and commit to it. For example, decide you will only bet 500 rupees per match day. Avoid the temptation to increase your stakes after a loss, which is known as chasing losses. Remember, betting should always be a form of entertainment, not a financial strategy. Bet wisely and within your means.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.